Here's our train. Our new train, since we are moving out of our current location. My dad's train. I think it has an LG compressor. Not sure. There's all ice on it. From the snow we had on Wednesday, December 4th. A lot of ice. March 2022. Oh, snow in this disconnect box. I mean, snow and ice on it. See? I think that's from the old unit. This house was built in 2003, so this unit's not original. So this replaced something from 2003 or 2004. I'm not sure what it was. Hang on. Holy crap. Just took that big piece of ice off the unit. Oh, damn. That was huge. Oh my god. That's crazy. Ice. My dad wants me. I better go loose.